temple walls. My name erased, my past is gone. Blood and oaths don't rule my soul. Light shows the night I walk alone.
Masks were smiling, hearts were cold. Honor soul like broken steel. They called it war, they called it fate. I saw the fear they tried to seal. By blades there's no flag or crown. No home, no master, no command. I burn the symbols in my skin.
Now I stand alone, unbranded.
Behind their masks, I bow to motion, breathe and fight. One against 1,000 lies. My freedom cuts the dark tonight. No gods, no lords, no sacred lies. Just footsteps soaked in blood and rain. If this world is built as a cage, I'll tear it down again. After final breath, footprints fade before the dawn. Legends don't ask who was right, they just move on.